Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. So if this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hey guys, how are you doing today? So today I have a little bag here. I'm just gonna do a little mini haul. I purchased some stuff from E.L.F. So I had to rip the bag because I was a little bit too excited. But on the bag it says, get ready to be E.L.F-ing amazing. Right, so I'm gonna show you a few things that I have. I just want to bring up my order. Alright, so and I'm going to be doing another video where I show you guys the stuff that I'm going to use. I'm going to use everything in here to do my face. All right. So the first thing we have is this little eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if this one is new, but some of the things that we have in here are new. This is the Perfect 10 eyeshadow palette. And this was on sale for $5. It's called Ombre 10. Alrighty, so these are all some nice and nude colors. So we're gonna be doing a look with this coming up soon. The next thing I have is this it's called Clarifying Facial Oil. Okay. This is it. All right, it has what's in it. It has salicylic acid and aloe extract, and you know those are good for your skin. All right, so I haven't used it as yet, but you know we can put this on after we put on our serum and the moisturizer and things. So that's what we have. I'm just making sure that I have this one was $12.50 with my little, I had like a 20% discount. It was $12.50. All right, so can't wait to use this. Actually, let's see if I can open it and see. I can do a little test. Comes in this nice little glass bottle with a dropper. It looks a little greenish. We'll just put a little bit on the back of her hand. Smells kind of minty. Alrighty, let's see if it shows what's in it more. Oh, non-comedogenic face oil to clarify pores and reduce redness. So I don't really have redness on my face, but BHA to help clarity, to help clear if your pores are clogged. It will help to prevent your pores. It helps to treat and prevent blackheads and breakouts without drying out your skin. So those are some good little things. And I did receive this. I used this before, the E.L.F. Holy Hydration. It's like a little moisturizer. This was free. I got this one for free. So this is really, really good. If you're looking for like a nice, affordable moisturizer, you can get the big one. This is just the little mini one. And I have the, this one was free also. Holy Hydration E.L.F. Off Makeup Remover. It helps to remove your makeup, smooth and hydrate skin, and also lashes. So we're looking forward to using this. You could see the oil like kind of separating, so you just got to shake it up. So I'm looking forward to this. And I also got 2 of these stain and tinted blending brushes. from E.L.F. You know their brushes are really, really good. So I think you can use this to apply your like your foundation or maybe blush. And these were like what, $4 each. So that's pretty good. Alrighty, I also got this Invisi Stick broad spectrum SPF 50. It's a stint SPF stick, right? I mean SPF 50. That's awesome. Like I said, I didn't open up anything. I was just waiting to do that with you guys. So let's see how this looks. Okay, let's put it on this hand. So that's how it looks. You wind it up, right? Okay, less mess. You can't really see it, but you just, you know, put it on the back of your hand. It feels good. I have the other one, the more cream one, liquid one. All right, what else we have in this bag? Oh, I also got this eyeshadow. It's called the ombre. It's called this. It says it's color shifts when the light hits it. So, all right, I'm trying to bring up the proper name. Oh, duochrome liquid eyeshadow. So I want to show it to you guys. The box is very cute, different little. You could see like kind of you can get an idea of how the color will look. Oh, it's tiny. Let's see. All right, let's put it on the back of the hand. All right, so I'm gonna show you the swatch. This is a swatch. So as you could see, like when you turn, you turn your hand a certain way, it kind of gives like a little green, a little purple. Right, so I can't wait to see how this looks, because when I'm looking at it now, it looks green. You see? Yeah, that's going to be so pretty on the eyes. And that wasn't expensive either. It was about maybe $4. Alrighty, the next thing that I have is the E.L.F. vitamin C and E Brighten and Glow Serum. Because normally they thought they would send you like send you a receipt, but it didn't come with one. I think this one was like 12 or 15. Alright, so it's, oh, look at the bottle. Alrighty, so it has 19% vitamin C and vitamin E and ferulic, Ferulic acid. We need to look up to see what that does. Alright, it was $16. Okay, it's supposed to clean up your, like, help to clear up your, like, your dark spots. After like 4 weeks you can see a difference, and then after like 12 weeks you can see a really right, okay. It helps to even skin tone and reduce the look of dark spots. Okay, you can use it in the mornings. Okay, so I think the bottle is like oh, it's a serum also, like it's in a, like a dropper right here. So I'm gonna be glowing. I think the bottle is super cute, the color. All right, what we have next, the next thing that I have is, this is the E.L.F. bronzing drops. It's supposed to be like, you can put this underneath your foundation to give you that nice bronzy glowing from within look. So that's a little tube. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand over here and blend it out so you could see. I don't know if I could see the glow, but it's right. So it doesn't really give you much color. I'm gonna put some more. Okay, I could see it now. Okay, so that's going to be pretty underneath your foundation. I just have a black eyeliner, like $3, and then I bought this one. It's an eyeliner also, but I saw the color and it was popping off the screen, so I was like, let me try it. So it's the eyeliner and smoothie coal, okay, smoky coal liner. So let me show you. Let me do a swatch right here. You see the color? Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting that in my waterline, of course, and I have the last thing, which I'm really excited about, is the E.L.F. Is Halo Glow Tint, Skin Tint Mineral SPF. This has SPF 50, which is amazing. So I'm going to be doing a video with this broad spectrum sunscreen, water resistance. Okay, so my shade is 13 Deep Neutral. I don't know, I haven't tried it. That's how the box looks, but we're going to be using it tomorrow. I'm going to try and use these tomorrow morning while I get ready for work. So the bottle is really cute. This was about $18. It's kind of tiny, but all right, let's see. I'm just gonna try the color on my hand. I'm not going to put it on my face. That's gonna be a different story. See if I can put it right here. I'll put it right here. I don't know if it might be too dark. I'm not sure. So that's the color here. And it might be too dark for my face, but we're gonna have to make it work somehow. See, if it's too dark for my hands, then I think my hands are lighter than my face. We'll see how it looks on the face, but we'll try to make it work, right? Those are just the few things that I have, and it came with this. You get like a, oh, okay, so that's 13. It comes with other colors on here. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just a sample. So it came with, you know, this different color as shade 1, 5, 7, 10, 15, and 18. So we'll see. We'll see if that one works. If not, I may have to mix it with something else. Another color that's on this little sample. Alright, so I can't wait to use everything that I purchased. And the last thing that I have is this Clean Queen Solid Brush and Sponge Cleaner. So it comes in this little jar. Alright. It looks like a little it's like a little block, almost like a soap. See? Alright, so I'm gonna get one of my brushes. Let me get a brush that's not so... Let me get a brush that's not so dirty. I just want to see what happens. So I'm gonna... I don't know if it's supposed to take off the dirt off the brush. I have to look to see how it works. I don't really see anything coming off. I think you put it on here and then you wipe it somewhere. Let's look that up. I want to look it up just so I can tell you guys. Solid, oh, soap bar helps remove dirt from tools, thoroughly cleanse, condition. Oh, it's a soap bar. So you actually have to wet it and wash your brushes with it. Okay. I will use it and let you guys know how it works. So I wasn't sure. Duh. Alrighty. So guys, that is my little quick haul of the little things that I purchased from E.L.F. So I hope that you guys enjoy. And I'm going to do a video really soon of everything that I purchased so you could see. Alright? And if you have any questions down in the comment section, leave them there for me. And thanks for watching. Just like that, that's my little mini... I just wanted to show you guys what I purchased from E.L.F. My little mini haul. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, if you love this kind of video, don't forget, once you watch the video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.